you don't know what that is, that's my humidifier. That's just the handle for it though. Luckily it didn't go inside. I'm pretty sure you guys thought that I wasn't gonna talk, but I am. And I don't know why I'm shooting this video in 4K. This video is about this really clicky keyboard, because I like clicky keyboards. And yeah, so moved a few of the keys. I don't know how this looks for you guys, but I'm trying to hold it under my chin. Yeah, that is not. I have no clue how that looks, but here's what these sound like. What? Nice. This keyboard has RGB. I'm just kidding. It only lights up in red, but lights up. So wired gaming keyboard from Red Dragon. This keyboard, pretty cool keyboard for only $32. I'd say if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard, I'd say this is the one, because it's pretty small. It's pretty space efficient. And yeah, not too bad, to be honest. Now, the problem I have is that whatever, you know. Okay, let's just take out the space bar. Oh, what? That is what you call permanent. 1 like equals 1 rip in my wallet. I mean, well. Can you like lift the whole keyboard up with? You can literally try to lift the whole entire keyboard up with this, and this stupid thing won't come out. And there we go. Finally got it out. Oh, why is there only one? What? Listen to this. And it's these things. Not even a switch. This is like the Cherry MX green switches. Look. And you put this thing back on. This way. Still feels satisfying over here. Feels the same on every end. I'm pretty sure that's why those things are there, to ensure that. Anyways, I don't know why I dragged this video so long, so bye.